Welcome to Cooking with Cam. Today I have no electricity, as you can see. So I have my backup light right here and some candle. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cook some crab without electricity. So right here, what I got is 5 pounds of blue crab with some red curry paste. I like the brand Ploy. With 3 chili, some ginger, with basil leaf. So what we got here is 1 tablespoon of salt with half tablespoon of MSG, and I have half tablespoon of pepper. Right here we got some oyster sauce. Here we some flavor of the crab. When you crack open the crab, you need to save up all the juice, you see? Then you gotta mix it up with the eggs right here. So you gotta need 4 eggs for 5 pounds of crab with 3 onions, and I have clove of garlic. So I got my backup plan right here. Gotta set everything up. Gotta put the propane in. The second one. Everything's set. Let's see if it is working or not. So now I got everything set up. Know what I mean? So I'm gonna take it slow. I'm gonna be cooking my rice right now. But now I'm gonna be chopping everything up. Gotta prep, you know? Here I got the crab. I got my rice cooking right here at very low heat. I'm gonna come back part 2 later. So now it's been 15 minutes since the crab been steaming. Since the crab are small, I think is ready. So I'm gonna close the fire. We gotta see the rice how it is. Yeah, it's getting ready. So I got everything chopped out. Here I got some green onions, basil leaf, ginger, green onions, the white part, with some chili. Onions, I like to cut them like this. So I got everything set up. With a little bit of song. Wanna see my beautiful little tree right here? This tree is called a kaffir lime tree. It's getting big right now. Nice little tree. So now I'm gonna be starting the stir fry. Chinese people like to stir fry the crab first, but me, I like to steam it because for the meat it's better, tastes better too. So here what I did right here, I mixed up the egg with the crab flavor juice. I chop everything up. So you want to start your cooking with low heat. So you got to start adding up the ginger. Ginger, chili, the garlic, and the green onions. So you want to cook it up like for 5 minutes at very low heat so the flavor can come out. I'm gonna show you guys the way that I cook. You guys can try it. I can guarantee you guys it gotta taste better. So now I got my rice cooked up. Got my light. No electricity. Still no electricity. When it's gonna come back? Maybe a week. But it doesn't matter. Because you already know I'm prepared. Got everything I need to cook good food. Smell really good. And this, I bought 5 pounds. It was only $2.99. $15 for like about 50 crabs. I'm gonna come back. Let it been 4 minutes since I've been cooking the ginger and everything, so I'm gonna add up the red curry now. And what? The onions. After done mixing it, it's gonna be looking like this. So what you want to do right now, add up the oyster sauce. Stir it well. Open the heat a little bit. So the pan gets hot. So now you can put the salt, MSG, and the black pepper. It ain't easy to cook with one hand and to record at the same time. It's my first time ever doing this for you guys. If you guys like it, you know what to do. Subscribe for more video. So you gotta let it cook for like about 5 to 7 minutes, not too much. Bring the blue crab right here and the egg. So we need light too, so we gotta bring the candle. What I like to add up, a little bit of alcohol. Let it sit in the middle. What I put, the alcohol, it was actually brandy. San Remy XO. Bring a little bit of flavor in it. Now it's also almost cooked. So what you want to do, put everything halfway. You want to make place for the eggs. Scrape everything up. Now put the egg in it. High up the heat. Smells so good, guys. Let the egg cook. And you guys scrape it like that. This has gotta be good, man. Can't wait to eat it. So now it's cooked. You want to mix everything up. As you can see, guys, everything is mixed up. It's gonna be looking like this. So now what you guys want to add? The final piece. So what you're gonna do right now? Make some place. You gotta put the crab in it. Let it steam, alright? So I put half of it. So you gotta put everything like this on top of the crab, just a little bit. You gotta put the rest of the crab on top now. So when you guys gotta put the crab all set up, this gotta be the result. I'm so glad you guys made it to the end. So comment, like the video, and subscribe for more video. Thanks, guys. Good night. That is team for 5 on it. Spread the ginger on there.